For breakfast, I had oatmeal topped with wild blueberries, bananas, flax seeds, cinnamon, and almond milk. For lunch, I had a giant green salad topped with avocado and some sea vegetables and a homemade nut-based dressing. I also had some edamame beans. And then an orange. And for dinner, I had some taco soup, which I made in my Instant Pot. I found this recipe online, and I just added some extra greens and I topped it with some nutritional yeast. I'll leave the recipe in the description. And finally, I had some frozen cherries, some dates, and a few walnuts. So this is the website Cronometer. They also have an app, and you just put in your food and you can see your macro and micronutrient profile for the day. I don't do this very often, but once in a while I think it's kind of neat to see what I'm eating. So I just put in all the food that I ate today for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And if you scroll down, then it will give you some information. So 64% carbs, 13% protein, and 22% fat. And that's pretty typical. If you're eating whole plant foods, you will be eating about 60 to 80% of your calories from carbohydrates. So when you scroll down, then this will tell you all your micronutrients that you got that day. So lots of high percentages. You can see fiber is very, very high. And the omega-6 to omega-3 ratio is really good. You don't want that to be too high of a ratio. And clearly not protein deficient. It's really easy to get enough protein on a vegan diet. Every food has protein in it, even fruit. And then the vitamins here. The vitamin D is low, but I do take a vitamin D supplement. You actually get vitamin D from the sun. And then B12, I also take a supplement, but you can see you get it from nutritional yeast and almond milk as well. And the minerals, of course, are through the roof. So that's the power of whole plant foods. It's really, really easy to get your micronutrients met. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Have a great day, guys.